Welcome back to our exclusive home theater video guide series to help find solutions that are right for you. Today is all about comfort. Let's take a look at theater seating and massage recliners. Since you're going to be spending a lot of time in your new home theater, considering seating that is specifically designed for that experience is a great way to ensure the highest level of comfort, functionality, and style. These chairs come in a variety of colors and upholstery options and offer features like motorized reclining and headrests, LED lighting, cup and tray holders, storage compartments, as well as the ability to configure the seating that fits your space the best. You can do 2 or 3 rows with risers for a more traditional movie theater feel, or one single row with armrests in between, or a love seat without an armrest in the middle. You can do single seats or a larger couch setup. It's all up to you. Now, if you're looking for ultimate comfort, look no further than massage recliners. They provide all the benefits of massage therapy right at home and are elegantly designed. In addition to taking up little floor space, these recliners offer massages that target your head, neck, shoulders, back, upper and lower legs, and even your arms, hands, and feet. They have a handful of preset massages at the click of a button, or you can customize your massage with the included controls by changing the style, intensity, focus areas, and duration to suit your needs. Some even come with Bluetooth speakers built in for an added layer of relaxation. Massage recliners can be purchased with white glove service, where they deliver, unbox, assemble, and install it where you want right in your home, so you can begin enjoying the ultimate way to unwind while listening to music, watching the game, or your favorite movie or TV show. We hope this was helpful to you, and by all means, please reach out to us for more information. We would be happy to help you. Feel free to keep up with us on social media, and thanks for watching.